Welcome to Code with Ceiven. Today, we want to talk about HTML special character. What are special characters? These are characters that you're not allowed to use while you are writing normal simple text on your HTML. If you are coding, not writing, coding. So those are characters that are recognized by HTML as very special. Or you can also call them HTML entity. Okay. What are those characters? If you've gone to some website or some notebook, after the author have finished writing, you see where they write copy, right? Copy, kind of see. And they tell you all right reserve or copyright 2024 or stuff like that. So there's way you can actually put this in HTML using special character. Outline here are 5 special character you can use in HTML. This is the first one, hash copy. This is the first one I'm talking about. All right reserve. Copy it and you put your normal semicolon. While this is the second one, it's also semicolon. This one has to do with angle bracket. If you want to type an angle in HTML, you use this to achieve that. What about reg? As reg, registration at reg. Reg, restart, this. This is what you use for it. And you also have hash locu. So there are so many special characters in HTML. But the truth of the matter is that you don't want to cram all of them. So every time you get there, you're not gonna kind of like cram like four. You don't need to cram them. So how then will you know special characters in nature? Of course, there are things that can help you to know special characters in nature. For example, let me just open one of the special character page for you to see. If you take a look at this page, let it open completely. You see that there are so many special characters here that you need to know. So many of them. If you check from this number down, you can keep scrolling and keep on seeing all of them. This is the character, this is the name, this is what it stands for, this is the symbol. Okay, so where do I get this? I get from ASCII. Okay, ASCII. ASCII. So you can go to a website that is called www.ascii.cl, or you can just type ASCII on Google, and Google will help you to be able to bring out all this. So by the time you get there, try the best you could to work with as many of them as possible. This special character as possible. Learn them by heart. Do not cram anything. Okay. So having said this, let's now go on to our work and let's do at least one special character. Here on our footer page, remember at the end of the footer, you always like your hash symbol and you write or in 2024, 2023, all right reserve and stuff like that. So let's use only one. So I'll hold my shift key, I press and then copy. Okay, copy. So you notice something as I'm trying to write it, they are all appearing here. So without being told, VS Code will help you to determine all. There are so many, but look at someone that VS Code has brought out. So in case you forget anyone, you can easily check this row. You scroll down until you see the one you are looking at, and you click on it. Okay, so this is another way again that can remember special characters. So you don't need to cram them like that. Either you go to that website, anyone you want to work on, you look at the special character, come over to VS Code and type it. Or from VS Code, when you type the first number, the first 3 digits of the number, after you put your percent, which is a hand, VS Code will be able to bring out so many other special characters. So you check. If the one you are looking for is there, then you make use of it. Like now, this one we are looking for. So I'll put it, hash copy. For that, I'll write to put my alright reserve. Okay. So alright reserve. Or let me use created by Ceiven. Created by Ceiven teams. Can even go a long way as writing this website is created by Ceiven teams, all right reserve, or any way you want to put it. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So after this, you write all right reserved and in the apostrophe. So Ctrl S for saves and the exclamation mark, sorry, exclamation mark. So let's run this and see if everything will work very well. Let's go to our VM, run with Lifesaver. Let's scroll down to the footer page. Here's our footer page. You see it. created by Ceiven teams. Then you now see the copyright symbol, which is one of the special characters. Now write all rights reserved. So there are so many special characters you can use. And for you to know the one to use or how to use them, go to ascii.cl, okay? Or go to Google, just type the name on Google, ASCII, and Google will be able to bring out all of them for you. But there are so many, and you'll be able to see them live and direct, okay? Or better still, you type it, the website name, and get it. And then learn them. As much as you can to learn those codes, those entities, those special characters, and possibly code like 4 or 5 of it and send it to us on our WhatsApp group, our assignment group. Okay, submit it. Let's see if you're able to go through this. So this is how far we can go on this, and I welcome you in advance to our advanced HTML. Let's move on to advanced HTML. See you in that class. Bye.